Before you spend a fortune on expensive products, check your local dollar store. Today, I'm showing you 10 simple garden hacks that can help organize your garden. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Turn a clear plastic storage container into a mini greenhouse. Place small seedlings inside the container. Just remember to leave some ventilation when conditions are...
Hack number 2. Make a self-watering system. Clean the bottle, make an opening in the cap, fill it, and place it near the roots. Water reaches the soil.
Hack number 3. Keep seed packets, plant labels, gloves, small tools, and pruning scissors together, and you'll spend less time searching and more time gardening. Hack number 4. Use lightweight mesh bags to protect individual fruits. Simply cover developing fruit with breathable mesh and secure it gently around the stem. This creates... Hack number 5 is one of the simplest. Make your own plant labels. Write the name of each vegetable or herb on a wooden craft stick, place it next to the plant. It's cheap, easy, and especially helpful. Hack number 6. Turn a sturdy shower caddy into a compact vertical garden organizer. Use suitable small containers inside. It's a clever way to use vertical space when you have a tiny balcony. Hack number 7. Never underestimate a good pair of rubber gardening gloves. They help keep your hands cleaner while working. With soil, compost, and messy garden jobs, choose a fits properly and keep them near your station. Hack number 8. Inexpensive clips can help support climbing plants. Use them to gently guide tomato vines, cucumber stems, stake, or trellis. Don't squeeze the stem tight, leave the plant room to grow. Hack number 9. Food-safe containers. Clean them and ensure they have drainage holes. Fill with mix and plant your seeds. Label them and place in the right light. Good drainage is essential. And hack number 10. Use a clean spray bottle for delicate seedlings. A gentle mist can help you disturbing tiny seeds and fragile young plants. But don't turn it into a swamp. Remember, a dollar store item isn't automatically a good gardening product. Always check that containers are clean, have proper drainage, and are suitable for the job. And which of dollar store garden hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more simple ways to grow fresh food at home, subscribe and follow for more easy gardening tips. Happy gardening!